Hello students, in this video you will learn about Dieckmann condensation reaction. Dieckmann condensation. Okay. So let's see the statement of Dieckmann condensation. Okay. When diester is heated with diester is heated with sodium alkoxide, it gives cyclic beta keto ester. Okay. When diester is heated with sodium alkoxide, it gives cyclic beta keto ester. But in Dieckmann condensation reaction, the diester which having alpha hydrogen. Okay. So what is alpha hydrogen? Alpha hydrogen means the carbon which directly attached to the functional group, it is your alpha carbon, and hydrogen attached to this carbon, it is your alpha hydrogen. Sorry. Okay. Suppose I will take one example, CH3 C double bond OH. Okay. So this is your functional group and this is your carbon which directly attached to functional group. So it is your alpha carbon, and this hydrogen, this 3 hydrogen is your alpha hydrogen. Okay. So when diester is heated with sodium alkoxide, gives cyclic beta keto ester. It is a statement of Dieckmann condensation. So next is Dieckmann condensation reaction is intramolecular condensation reaction. Okay. Dieckmann condensation reaction is intramolecular condensation reaction. Intramolecular means the reaction occur within a molecule. The reaction occur within a molecule. So let's see the reaction of reaction. Take any diester. Okay. So this is diester. I will take, this is the 2 alpha hydrogen which is present in this compound is heated with sodium alkoxide. It forms this cyclic beta keto ester. So this is your final compound. So keto ester. Okay. So it is your cyclic beta keto ester. So let's see the mechanism. Okay. So what happen in mechanism, or what happen in this reaction? First step is this sodium alkoxide is break down. Okay, and form sodium ion and alkoxide ion. Okay, sodium ion and alkoxide ion. Okay. So in next step what happen? This alkoxide ion abstract proton from diester. Okay. So it is your alkoxide ion. Okay. So it abstract proton from diester. abstract proton from diester. Okay, so, and from this intermediate one hydrogen is remaining, one is abstracted. Okay, so it is your as this proton is electron is transferred here, this electron is also transferred here, so it is your single bond and it is your enol form of diester. Okay, so what happened in next step? So in next step, what happened? This is your compound or this is your enol form. Okay, this is your single bond. Okay, and this is your hydrogen. So what happened in this step? This electron is transferred here and this bond is attack on carbonyl carbon and cyclization or ring formation is take place. Okay, or cyclization is take place 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is your fifth carbon, so it forms 5-member ring. This is your fifth carbon which contain this bond is break here, it form this compound. This is your OR, means alkoxide. This is your oxygen which having negative bond, negative charge. This is your, so it form this compound. Okay, next step what happened? This electron is transferred here and this alkoxide group is removed. This alkoxide group is removed. Okay, and from this compound, okay, from this compound, okay, in this step the deprotonation is occur, means this electron is transferred here and this electron is transferred here. Okay, and from this product, okay, so oxygen carries negative charge here. So final step is this proton is first of all this electron transfer here, this electron is transfer here and this proton is attack on this carbon. Okay, and valence is satisfy and form this final compound is called as beta keto ester, but it is your cyclic beta keto ester. So what happened in this reaction? When diester is heated with sodium alkoxide, it gives cyclic beta keto ester. Okay, so this diester is treated with or heated with sodium alkoxide, it forms cyclization and gives product beta keto ester. Okay, first of all what happened? The breakdown of sodium alkoxide in sodium ion as well as alkoxide ion. In next step what happened? This alkoxide ion is abstract proton from diester and from enol form of diester. Next step is cyclization is occur and cycle 5-member ring are formed, and next step is electron are transferred here and this alkoxide group are removed and the proton form a double bond here and proton transfer the electron from here and form a final compound cyclic beta keto ester. Thank you.